Okay, so today I'm going to try playing this record here. This is Heaven for Two, nice Piccadilly label. I'm going to play it on my HMV 162 gramophone. This has a number 4 sound box on it. Now this record was one of a batch that I bought. It was very dirty. Fortunately the label's actually okay, that wasn't too bad. It's cleaned up reasonably well. It was one of the less dirty ones. It's cleaned up reasonably well, although there is a bit of a problem here. There's a bit of warping on the edge there. I think it must have got hot at some point in the past and it's sort of been bent over, but I think it's okay. I think it's going to play just fine.
My slippers there, and there's a heaven for two. Caring less than kings, what tomorrow brings in our heaven for two. First a tray, then a kettle for tea, then just lay your dear head on my knee. Stir the fire up bright, then turn out the light, and there's a heaven for two.
Okay, so what did you think to that? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, then you might like this one too. Thanks, and see you in the next one.